Welcome to another video or series को continue करते हैं. This is episode number 10, Business Awareness and Current Affairs. First news, PM Modi set India's 2070 zero carbon emission target at COP26 summit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi asserted that India is the only country that is delivering in letter and spirit the commitment on tackling climate change under the Paris Agreement. आप लोग मुझे कमेंट में बताएंगे कि सीओपी की फुल फॉर्म क्या है और ये सीओपी 26 समिट कहां पे हो रही है. Bandhan Bank gets empaneled as Agency Bank of Reserve Bank of India. Bandhan Bank was empaneled by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) to act as an agency bank to facilitate transactions related to government businesses. Army officer created Guinness World Record cycling from Gujarat to Arunachal. Lieutenant Colonel Bharat Pannu, a serving electronic and mechanical engineer (EME) officer in the army, bagged his third Guinness World Record by cycling across the country from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, covering a country distance of 3,800 km in 9 days, 7 hours and 5 minutes. Mumbai Karnataka region to be renamed as Kittur Karnataka. Bengaluru Karnataka Chief Minister Baswaraj Bommai reiterated that the state government would rename Mumbai Karnataka region as Kittur Karnataka, saying that the former title holds no meaning since there were no ties between the two after the restructuring of state in 1956. Agriculture Minister inaugurates Apple Festival in Jammu and Kashmir. Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar and Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has virtually inaugurated Apple Festival organized for the first time in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. It will provide a better platform to apple growers and other stakeholders. Clean Ganga Mission gets registered in Guinness Book of World Record. The National Mission for Clean Ganga (NMCG) got registered in the Guinness Book of World Record on the first day of the Ganga Utsav, the River Festival 2021, for the highest number of photos of handwritten notes uploaded on Facebook in an hour. Indonesia, first nation to green light Novavax COVID-19 vaccine. Biotechnology company Novavax said that Indonesia has given the world's first emergency use authorization for its COVID-19 vaccine, which uses a different technology than currently used shots. SpaceX set up a subsidiary in India. World's richest person Elon Musk owned SpaceX incorporated its wholly owned subsidiary in India to start local broadband operation. Jio becomes first operator to bring mobile connectivity to Demchok. Billionaire Mukesh Ambani Reliance Jio became the first operator to bring mobile connectivity to Demchok in eastern Ladakh with the start of its 4G voice and data services in the border village. Tata Consultancy Service to be the new title sponsor for Jaguar Formula E team. Tata Consultancy Service (TCS) has joined the iconic British racing team Jaguar Racing as title partner ahead of the 2021-22 ABBFIA Formula E World Championship. The team will be known as Jaguar TCS Racing. G20 summit end with the adoption of Rome Declaration. The 2021 G20 Group of 20 summit was held in Rome, Italy on October 30 and 31, 2021. It was the 16th meeting of the G20 group. The meeting was held under the championship of Italian Prime Minister Mario Draghi. The summit concluded with the adoption of the Rome Declaration by G20 leaders. Vax, named Oxford English Dictionary Word of the Year 2021. Vax was chosen as the Word of the Year by Oxford English Dictionary in 2021. Vax is derived from the Latin word vacca, which means cow. Vax is used as a short form for vaccine and means a substance put into a person's body to prevent them from getting a disease. आप लोग मुझे कमेंट में बताओगे कि 2020 का वर्ड ऑफ द ईयर क्या था. Yes Bank and Bank Bazaar launch Fin Booster credit card. Yes Bank and BankBazaar.com together launched a co-branded credit card named Fin Booster to measure the credit worthiness of the customer. TCS expand partnership with Malaysia's Celcom for digital transformation. IT service major Tata Consultancy Service (TCS) is expanding its partnership with Celcom Axiata Berhad Celcom, a leading telecommunication provider in Malaysia, to transform the latest core business support system (BSS) using TCS HOBS and TCS TwinX hosted on Microsoft Azure. Haryana launches Uttam Beach Portal. Chief Minister of Haryana Manohar Lal Khattar launched the Uttam Beach Portal, which will benefit the farmer of Haryana by providing quality seed with transparency. One Sun, One World, One Grid. PM Modi calls for global solar grid at COP26. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Green Grid Initiative One Sun, One World, One Grid GGIOSOWOG, the first international network of global interconnected solar power grid, jointly with his UK counterpart Boris Johnson, COP26. IREDA launches Whistleblower Portal. The India Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited IREDA launched a whistleblower portal as a part of the celebration of Vigilance Week Awareness Week 2021. The portal was launched by Pradeep Kumar Das, Chairman and Managing Director CMD IREDA. Standard Chartered launches sign language service for hearing impaired. Standard Chartered Bank launched a special sign language service proposition for hearing impaired segment client. CCI approves HDFC Life acquisition of Exide Life. Competition Commission of India (CCI) approved HDFC Life Insurance acquisition of Exide Life Insurance. The regulator informed that post the completion of the share acquisition, Exide Life would operate as a wholly owned subsidiary of HDFC Life. So this is all for today. आई होप वीडियो थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी हो, और इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना, और कोई आप लोगों की डिमांड हो कि इस पे वीडियो बनाओ, इस पे वीडियो चाहिए हमें, तो प्लीज़ कमेंट में बताना। और कोई सजेशन हो कि इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहते हो, कि मतलब इम्प्रूवमेंट तो चाहिए होगा, तो किस चीज़ में, माइक में, किस में, तो वो भी कमेंट में बताना। सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।